Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the words Spot and Media. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has hit back at suggestions that his administration could be recklessly putting the National Housing Trust (NHT) in peril, as the government has signalled that funds from the trust will be used to shore up the budget. Mr. Holness was speaking at a recent groundbreaking ceremony for housing solutions for St. Catherine and Clarendon. With the details, here's TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
More housing solutions are underway for residents of St. Catherine and Clarendon. Dubbed the villages of Colbeck Castle, 2,000 housing solutions will be developed in 5 phases over the next 3 years. Phases 1 and 2 have 595 lots and they are projected to be completed next year.
The housing trust is working.
However, the opposition has concerns. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips wants rules to prevent government from raiding the NHT at will. This follows an announcement that $45.6 billion will be taken from the NHT over the next 4 years to finance the budget. The Prime Minister has reiterated that the mandate of the trust is not in jeopardy.
We have to prove the point that we are not allowing the NHT money to sit there and tantalize people to be used in all kinds of plots and plans and schemes. We are using the NHT money to build more house.
By 2021, the villages of Colbeck Castle will bring the number of NHT housing solutions in St. Catherine and Clarendon to over 7,800. It's hoped that construction will keep pace with demand and squatting will be avoided.
So the idea is right across Jamaica to build faster than the squatters, so that the people who plan to squat will take a second thought and say, you know, it's more expensive for me to go and squat on the land. It's probably easier for me to just go to the NHT, put my case before them, see the plan that they have that suit my pocket, and live in a planned development. It's better for everybody.
Then there's the issue of those who choose to build on hillsides and engage in ad hoc development. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says such practices will not be tolerated.
We can't make Jamaica a chaka-chaka place. In the next phase of our development, 55 years of independence, we are going to make Jamaica an orderly place. Not just orderly in our behavior, but orderly in how we choose to settle our land, Jamaica.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.